Good day, everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa used two words very recently. In fact, yesterday, in a statement on the 49 South Africans that took up the refugee program of the United States under President Donald Trump. And in his statement with regards to this, he was meeting with business leaders outside of the country on the African continent. And he made a statement with a couple of words that I had a huge problem with. Now, many people might not agree with me, but you can tell me in the comments how you feel about this. And the two words that he used was colonizers, and he used the word refugee. And, he tried to define it based on his understanding. But I want to go through the definition with you just briefly so that we can just set the record straight with regards to what a colonizer is and with regards to what a refugee is. Because President Cyril Ramaphosa made a statement where he used the word they, separating the people of South Africa. Now, as the president of this country, he should be the president for all people. When you use the word they and them, it doesn't unify anyone, it divides. And what he in effect said is that South Africa is unique. Under President then Nelson Mandela during the transition, after the transition when he became president, and Oliver Tambo, he said that they were his teachers with regards to how to unify a nation. However, he needs to understand that what he thinks redress is and many other things that might be necessary post the apartheid government regime is in his best interest, his party's best interest. And many people might see it as victimization. But let's look at the definition of colonizers. And the one thing that he said with regards to colonizers is that in South Africa, they were never chased out of the country, like in many other countries in Africa. So I want to ask him, was this ever discussed? Was this ever on the table? Chasing all what you consider to be colonizers out of the country. So let's look at him speaking specifically with regards to these Afrikaner refugees or so-called Afrikaner refugees. And many of you said yesterday that now minority groups have been included. So it can be all people in South Africa that are considered or thought of as minority groups that feel marginalized by the current government and the situation in the country. So let's look at the definition of colonizer, okay, or colonizers as a plural. A country that sends settlers to a place and establishes political control over it. So the only country that has done any colonizing here in South Africa is the British, because they sent people here with ships to colonize South Africa. The people that came here in the 1600s were not colonizers. Their countries did not send them here. A lot of those people, most of them, fled persecution in their countries. So you could call them refugees even back then. And when they came here, they did not go and establish control over the country. No, the apartheid regime came post the British Empire, taking over the country, fighting 2 wars in South Africa and taking over control of the country. So this is the real history of South Africa. So these people he speaks of are not colonizers. They never were. Their families came here out of desperation. Many of the French Huguenots, the Dutch and the German people that came to South Africa, many of the Greek, many of the Portuguese and many other nations that ended up coming to South Africa fled persecution in many instances. So to say that they fit the bill for this definition of colonizers, go and do some studies, President Cyril Ramaphosa, so that you can comprehend what you are saying, because you are doing political grandstanding. Let's look at the definition of a refugee. A person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution, or natural disasters. Now, this is not the US's definition according to the laws they have set out, but persecution is mentioned here. And many people feel persecuted with many of the laws passed in this country, which is not established for redress and many other things. It's race-based laws that marginalize specific groups of people, especially minority groups in this country, that have been marginalized since forever. So think about what you are saying, President Cyril Ramaphosa. The people of this country are not stupid. Many of the people that used to support your party are fighting hand tooth and nail against what you are doing right now. On social media, on podcasts, in meetings, in many places. So the tables are turning, and for the African National Congress, of which you are the president, the time bomb is ticking for the complete dismantlement of the organization that was chosen to destroy South Africa by people outside this country, headed by figureheads in this country for very specific purposes. The people of this country has always needed to be weak, slaves working in a system so that our resources can be pillaged by the Anglo-American bloc. And this is the reality. If you look at history, you will see this play out. Now, whether you support the Anglo-American bloc or not, as a South African, is irrelevant. I am just telling you how things are. And many people in this country feel persecuted. I feel persecuted because my kids in the past would have been forced to learn things in school that I don't think any child should learn. Things that are forced on our children with regards to the school system, being forced to go to school at a certain age. That's persecution in my book. Stopping certain people from being recruited is persecution. People in the nation, not just in the government, telling other people they're not welcome here, they should leave, calling them colonizers when they are not. That is persecution, Mr. President. Now, whether you agree with me or not is irrelevant. This is the definition of being a refugee. So many people feel like refugees in this country. And now an opportunity was given for people to leave, and they've taken the opportunity. Many more will. And you need to ask yourself what role you have to play in this mess. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos.